Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create your first project in Google Flow step by step. If you've just gained access to Google Flow and you're ready to start creating AI videos, this guide will walk you through the entire process. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Google Flow website. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the Google Flow dashboard where all of your projects are stored. To begin, click the **New Project** button. If this is your first time using Google Flow, your dashboard may be empty, making it easy to find the option to create a new project. Click it to continue. Next, enter a name for your project. Choose a name that clearly describes what you're planning to create, especially if you'll be working on multiple videos in the future. A well-organized project name makes it much easier to find your work later. After creating the project, the editing workspace will open. This is where you'll write prompts, generate AI videos, preview your results, and make changes to your project. Take a moment to look around and become familiar with the layout. Now it's time to create your first scene. In the prompt box, type a detailed description of the video you want to generate. For example, you can describe a peaceful mountain landscape at sunrise, a futuristic city at night, or any creative idea you have. The more specific your prompt is, the better the AI can understand your vision. Before generating the video, review any available settings such as video quality, aspect ratio, duration, or style. These options may vary depending on your account and the latest version of Google Flow. Once everything is ready, click the **Generate** button. Google Flow will process your prompt and begin creating your AI video. Depending on the complexity of your request, this may take a short time. After the generation is complete, preview your video. If you'd like to improve the result, simply edit your prompt, adjust the settings, and generate another version. Don't be afraid to experiment. Trying different prompts is one of the best ways to learn how Google Flow works. Finally, save your project so you can come back and continue editing it later. Keeping your projects organized will make it much easier to manage future AI video creations, and that's how you create your first project in Google Flow. You're now ready to explore more advanced features and create even more impressive AI-generated videos. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google Flow tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.